now I'm going back the way I came, and I'm gonna go the other way. Why? Don't ask me, because I don't know. Simple as that, I don't know. A lot of the things I do, I don't have a specific reason for it. I don't really know why I'm doing it. I just do it. You know, it's pretty funny. And now the sun is in my goddamn eyes. Block sun. That is why I have the sun visor, my sunglasses in my helmet. They're pretty nice. But the bad thing is now that it's a double tint. So I have a tinted visor, plus I have my sunglasses now. So that means it's pretty much black. Therefore I'm gonna go a little bit slower so that I don't hit something. Another bad thing is that my visor is pretty dirty. I need to clean it. I can't see shit, man. I'm gonna have to do that when I get home. I'm gonna have to clean my goddamn visor. Because it's been far too long. I've thought about it a long time, and I haven't done it. But today it's time to clean my visor. And if I don't do it, well, you know, I'm just punishing myself. So I need to do it today. I'm trying to find, you know, like, oh, I'm going to go this way. Wait, no, I'm not allowed to go that way. I think it's closed because of floods, maybe. So I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to risk it. There's a lot of roads that are closed because of floods today. Did it really rain that much? Today, it must have been from yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I should say. Because then it rained a lot. And once again, I was in the highest gear and I didn't know it. Once again, I proved my stupidity. Is that a cow? Is there a cow crossing up here? I'm on the lookout for some cows, man. I'm trying to see if I can see some cows. Yeah, speaking about cows, oh, there's a lot of water. Oh, the other day I was out riding and I saw a cow. There's the cows. I found the cows. Now I can get back to what I was saying, if I can remember. Yeah, I remember what I was saying. I just had to find my way back into the sentence. I saw a cow get on top of another cow. If you've ever seen a dog humping another dog, it looked kind of like that. And it was pretty weird. It was pretty funny. When I saw it, I started laughing because it was funny. If you were there, you would have laughed as well. I'm pretty sure. Have to go fast under the bridge. No, I'm so childish. Whenever I see a bridge or tunnel, I just gun it. Skip-pow!